Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile on the Stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Stake app, and after opening the Stake app, we have to wait for a few seconds. And now simply we have to click on the profile section. So let's click on the profile section. So as you can see now what we have to do, we have to click on this profile section, and after clicking on the profile section, you will be able to see the email here. If you want to update the email, you can also do that. If you want to update the phone number, you can also do that. If you want to switch individual account, switch to business account, you can also do that. And then I'm gonna choose this investment limit. If you want to choose, if you want to change this, you can also do that. Like these all details are provided here. Retail investor investment limit will renew each year, and these all details are provided here. You can choose them. And I'm going to the back section again, and as you can see, so these are the details. If you want to change your profile picture, you can also do that. So these all profile details are provided here. If you want to edit them, you can also do that. So as the other settings are also provided here. So in this way you can change your profile. In this way you can manage your profile. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.